So I thought we'd give you a little tour of the boat. We just got ready to leave, so come on board. And the boat's actually half clean right now because we don't have all our stuff on board. But as you enter, it's a 33-foot 1985 CNC sailboat. And I'll enter the cockpit here. There is a full enclosure, as you can see. So it all zips up, and so in here, a little cockpit table, controls for the engine, throttle, forward, reverse. What can I tell you? We've got a little barbecue, the dinghy motor off the back, depths, sounder, and GPS are here. I also do use Navionics with an iPad. And there's power going to that here. There is also a radar. So, yeah, come on down below. And down here we will find the galley off to our starboard side. It has a 3-burner stove with an oven. And it is gimbaled, so you just pull the latch and it gimbals when you're underway. If you need things to stay solid on there. There are drawers for utensils. There's cabinetry here, or cupboards for storage. There's an ice box as well, and obviously a sink. There's the engine is actually right underneath this companionway stairs. So there's a 2 GM Yanmar engine in there. It's very well actually maintained. And that slides on there. We have a quarter berth here. This is where our oldest son Arise sleeps when he's on board. On the settee on the port side here, this actually folds out to a double berth, and then the table itself has some little arms that kind of go up, and then they latch so they don't sway around when we're underway. Television. We have a little propane heater. What else can I tell you? There's 2 water tanks on on either side of the boat underneath the settees. Hanging locker here, jam-packed, so I won't let you look in there. And then there's the V-berth. I'll let the cameraman go have a peek at the V-berth. It's dark right now because I have the dinghy up on the bow of the boat, but there's enough room in here for 2. A couple lights. There's a little locker on the starboard side. And then there is, if we look over here, there is a head. And in our head we have a manual Jabsco marine toilet. We do have pressured water here, so hot and cold water, and port lights and all those kind of fun things. So I think I got most things covered, but yeah, this is our home, this sailboat. The name is Courtship, and we've been the proud owners of her for, I don't know how many months now, but let's say maybe like 6-8 months, something like that. And we've been sailing her around the Gulf Islands here in BC and having a blast. So anyways, there we are. Thanks for watching.